Welcome to my channel. I am Jackson, your AI tutor, and in this channel I will teach you how to use AI tools for content creation, business, ministry, and everyday productivity. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's go to the classroom. Welcome to Jackson School of AI. Today we are going to learn how to generate pictures, and we are going to use the AI we call CreArt AI. CreArt AI. That is this. CreArt AI can generate images for you. Now, before we go to the CreArt AI, let us go to my notes so that we know what is CreArt AI. Let's go to my notes. Now, I say CreArt AI is an AI image generation tools that allows users to create high-quality pictures by simply typing instructions called prompts. Instead of hiring a designer or spending hours editing images, users can generate professional visuals within seconds using artificial intelligence. CreArt AI can help users create YouTube thumbnails, cinematic scenes, social media graphics, cartoon characters, realistic portraits, background images, story illustrations, advertisement visuals, and AI movies scenes. In AI content creation, pictures are the foundation of powerful videos. When you learn how to generate quality images with CreArt AI, you can create professional AI videos for YouTube, ministry, education, storytelling, and business. All right. Now, CreArt AI can generate pictures like what I said, but it's not only CreArt AI that can generate pictures. Almost all the AI can generate pictures, and they generate pictures better than each other. All right, but we are using CreArt AI right now. Maybe in some other time we may be going to other AI that can generate quality pictures. Now let's go to the interface of CreArt AI. Now, if you look at my design, I am using landscape, but CreArt AI does not accept landscape. It accepts, portrait. So you may be seeing it, not as bold as it is right now. Okay. Now let's go to CreArt AI interface and see. Now, when you switch on the CreArt AI, you must switch on your data. Your data must be on, because if your data is not on, then you may not be able to generate anything. Let me switch on my data. All right, I've switched on my data. Now, if you look at this side here, what you are going to do before you can generate, your picture, you must click on this X to close this particular place. Okay, now if you look at this interface, you can see many things. All right, okay, now let me explain this to you. I am going to explain those areas that we are actually interested in. Number one is this plus sign. This plus sign, if you click on it, it's going to take you to where you can generate a picture, where you can type your prompts, what you want the AI to generate. Then there is another one here, generate image. If you click that side, it's going to take you to that particular place also. All right, then you have this, edit your photo. That side, if you generate an image and you want to edit it, you will click that side and edit it, or possibly the image or photo that you have in your device, you can generate that. Now if you look at this side, it's talking about my art. In that my art, what you have generated, that is exactly what it will store for you there. And then when you look at this side, you see explore. Now all the pictures you are seeing here and there, that is there are many of them. If you scroll up or side, you will see them. Now you can use any one of those pictures to generate your own picture, or you generate directly. So we are going to generate directly. All right, so what we are going to do right now is to click that picture, that plus sign. Let's click on the plus sign. Now it comes to this side. Now when it comes to this side, now what you're going to do here is to type your prompts. Okay, now I have a prompt that I want to generate. Look at my prompts. I've already typed this so that it won't take our time. Okay, now I said generate Afro American boy and a white young girl, two of them 8 years. Now well dressed, riding bicycles at the front of luxurious glass house, beautifully designed with flowers and cars. That is exactly what I want it to generate. Okay, now if you have correct prompt, that is, if you are able to tell the AI what you want it to do, it's going to do it exactly. But if you did not get what you want it to do, now it won't do it correctly. Okay, now before we generate, let me explain some things here, because you may not understand what they are for. For instance, we have this side. Now that side, that is where you change the size, the size of the picture you want to generate. We call it aspect ratio. So maybe you want it in landscape or portrait. Okay, but one thing about CreArt AI is that it's not going to allow you to change it because you did not subscribe. But if you subscribe, you pay money. That's what it means. Then it's going to allow you. And I will advise you, if you have money, it's better you pay money. Okay, not only to CreArt AI, but any AI tools, because when you pay money, you get the best of that particular AI tool. All right. If you look at this side, it's saying that no style. If you click there, it's going to give you different size, styles that you can also use to create your image. But now I am not using any style. That's why it's saying no style. So I will just create directly, and then after that, we can let us see what is going to give us. Now what I'm saying is that you have to click this side, click this arrow to generate the image. Let's do that right now. This is beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. You can see it. Now when you look at this, now there is something I want to show you here. Okay, if you look at this, there is this sign there. That is the logo of CreArt, CreArt AI. Now, in that CreArt AI, when you download, it's going to go with it, okay? So, because you did not subscribe, but if you subscribe, if you pay money, that is not going to be there. But later, I am going to tell you what to do about all these things and get what you want, even for free. All right, just subscribe to my channel so that you get the best of AI training. Now, let us download this image. You will click on this, that save. When you click on that save, it's going to download, and it will download it to your gallery. Then next time you can use it, and if you want to edit it, you can edit the image. Now we have another thing here, upscaling. Now if you are to upscale, you must subscribe, meaning that I want to expand the image in one way or the other. All right, but I love this picture, beautiful, and I think we can use it for many things. All right, as we go on in our training. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel and get the best that you need. All right, thank you.